Hello, I'm Sarah and welcome back to Sewing Therapy. If you have ever been intimidated to sew a beautiful top because it has a sleeve placket and cuff, then this video is for you, as I will show you how to make them easily in this step-by-step video. You will need 2 sleeves, 2 sleeve plackets, 2 bindings, and 4 cuffs. Let's get started. Some patterns use one combined piece of placket and binding, while others use separated. Although you may be using a different pattern that has different shapes and measurements, the components to make them are the same, and you will be able to use this method on any cuff with a placket. I prefer to top stitch on the folded edge on the right side for better control, and as a result, both sides end up looking neat. This is why I start sewing from the wrong side. Sew a buttonhole, attach a button, and you're done. Now you have a professional looking cuff with a placket. That's my method for sleeve plackets and cuffs that has worked for me every single time. I hope you found my video helpful for all your future projects. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please click on like, subscribe, and the notification bell. I will see you in my next Olya shirt video. 안녕!